Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, children? Hope everyone is good. Are you enjoying my class? Okay. Once again, we'll go through our subject, children. Okay, of grade 2. So, in the previous classes, we have learned about the uses of plants. Yes. Till now, we have learned to here. Now, we are going to learn about the next. Gum. GUM, gum. Some plants, such as the acacia plants, is nothing but a plant name. ACACIA, acacia plant. So it's nothing but a tree plant. Okay. Some plants, such as the ACACIA, acacia plant, GIVE, give us gum. So some plants, they give, not only they give paper, fiber, rubber, they also give us gum. Gum is used to make glue. Do you know glue gun, children? Nowadays we are using in experiments or any science project or science fair is there, we are using this glue gun. Do you know? So from where we are getting this glue gun? From the gum. And the gum we are getting from the acacia plant. We use glue to stick things together. Yes, what is the use of this glue, children? See, if anything has broken, so we can stick that together. Understood? So we are using this gum. So that gum we are getting from the acacia plant. The next is wood. 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 THE the, OUT out, SID is side, the outside covering of your pencil is made of wood. See, children, COVERING covering, OF of, YOUR your, PENCIL pencil is made up of wood. See, children, can you see this pencil how it is? So the cover of this pencil is made up of wood. Wood is nothing but lakdi. Understood? Wood. Lakdi, okay? For understanding purpose, I have written in Hindi. So we get wood from trees. Yes, it's very common. It's the main thing. So wood we are getting from the tree. Wood is used to make houses. In some countries, the houses they are made by this wood. लकड़ी के बने हुए रहते थोड़ी जगहों पे houses. Okay. It is also used to make furnitures, boats, carts, cricket bats, hockey sticks, and many more things. Yes. So with the help of this wood, we can make the furniture. Have you seen bed, sofas? So these are made with the what, children? Yes, they are made up of with the wood. The wood we are getting from the tree. So we can make bed, cot, chair, table, almirah, boat, guitar, piano, flute, bat, cart, houses. Understood? So these all are the things that are made by the wood. And the wood we are getting from the tree. The wood we are getting from the furniture like this. Sofas, beds, table, chair. We can prepare. Yes or no? Carpenters used to prepare. So the help of wood. We'll go with the next. Shelter. Big and strong plants such as trees give shelter to many birds, insects, and animals. See here, some birds and animals, they live on the trees only. They build nest. What they build? They used to build nest on trees. Ghonsla. Understood? So in big bade पेड़ strong and big trees, they used to build a nest and they will live in there. Okay. there is heavy sunlight, we also will stand near the tree. Why? Because it gives shadow, it gives shelter to us to stand. Understood? So the big and strong plants, they are giving shelter to birds, insects, and some animals. Perfumes. Have you applied perfumes? Yes, when we are going to function or any occasion, we are using perfumes. Flowers such as J is jazz, M-I-N jasmine, and R-O-S-E rose, H-A-V-E have a, P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T pleasant, S-M-E-L-L smell. So, flowers such as jasmine and rose. Have you seen jasmine and rose flower? I think everyone has seen the rose flower, gulab. So they have fragrance, they have that very beautiful smell. From that smells, from that flowers only, we are making the perfumes. They are used to make perfumes. From the they take out the juices or what they'll do, I don't know. So from the juices only we are making the perfumes. Okay, from the flowers of jasmine and rose. OTHER other, USES uses, OF of PLANTS plants. So other uses of plants. PLANTS plants, ARR, ALSO also, USED used, TO2, MAK make, THINGS things such as. So not only perfumes, not only shelter, the other uses of plants such as they used in preparation of soap. Do you know soap? What is meant by sabun? So whatever soap we are using, that are also prepared from the plants. Toothpaste and shampoos. Shampoos you are applying on your hair, and some toothpaste. Understood? Neem, tulsi toothpaste we are getting now. So that toothpaste are also preparing from the plants. THE the FLO WERS plus of SOMism PLANTS plants are ALSO also, USED used, FOR for, DECOR, ATION decoration, and in places, PLACS places of worship. So some the flowers are used for decoration. In marriages we used to decorate our houses, functions hall. Yes or no? With the help of what we are decorating? Yes, with the help of flowers. So in some people they keep these flowers for worshipping purpose. God के पास भी रहते some people. Okay. So these are the lesson of the uses of plants. So there are many uses. They give us fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, herbs and spices. They are used for in the medicines also. They give us cotton cloth, jute, paper, rubber, the gum, and the furniture we are getting from the wood. They are shelter for plants and animals and insects. They give us beautiful perfumes, and they are used in the preparation of soap, shampoo, and toothpaste. The flowers are used for the decoration in marriages, or they are also used in the places of worship. Hope you children enjoyed. Thank you.